welcome back! Today we will be making a lemon loaf cake. It's a moist, dense cake with full of lemon flavor. If you are into lemon desserts, you should keep watching. Let's start! Let's start it with ingredients. I add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar into a bowl. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil, but you can use another vegetable oil. And nicely zest 2 fresh lemons. Make sure all goes into the bowl. We don't want to waste any of it. Now squeeze the same 2 lemons. Kitchen already smells like a lemon garden. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I use powdered vanilla, but it's even better to use liquid vanilla extract if you have it. And here is a vegan hack. Add 1 small bottle of sparkling water. I don't want to call it soda because it's unsweetened, just plain sugarless mineral water. This bottle is 200 milliliters and it makes approximately 1 cup. This will act also as a leavener. Now let's start to gently mix. Do not mix too fast to avoid the bubbles to go away too much. Let's move on with the dry ingredients. I add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a surprise ingredient, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. As our vegan cake does not have any eggs in it, it will lack a bit of color, but we will bring a natural yellow color to it with turmeric. No need to use food dye. I gently mix all the dry ingredients and sift them onto the wet ones. Mix just until combined. Try to not overmix, to not give it a bread-like texture. Again, a beautiful color. I love this tone of yellow. Let's take our cake pan and please ignore the scratches. Oil the mold with vegetable oil. And on top of it, I strongly recommend you to place a baking sheet because this will be a moist cake and it will be difficult to unmold it otherwise. Cook it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. After you take out your cake, you have to wait until it's completely cold because it has a very nice and moist texture and this will settle while cooling. After the cake has cooled down, we will prepare the drizzle, the glaze. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I only add 1 tablespoon of water. And when you mix, you get this texture. We will use it to decorate our cake. Now let's unmold the cake. As we placed baking sheet previously, it's very easy to take it out now. I pour the glaze gently on the cake. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's get back to the recipe. I poured the glaze in like zigzags because I don't want to put too much as the cake itself is already sugary. It's just for the decoration. Now let's make it prettier because I like pretty cakes. Who doesn't? I sprinkle sliced almonds, lemon zest, and totally optional mandarin zest. I place a few slices of fresh lemons. I also sprinkle a little bit of poppy seeds because it looks cute. Now the favorite part, tasting. So I got a big slice for me. A very rich lemon flavor. It kicks off when you chew it. It is also very mouth-filling. And look at this color. It's also amazing. So I will keep eating this. If you like this video, please share, like, comment and subscribe. I hope I will see you in the next video. See ya!